टाइप के होते हैं, क्या सॉफ्टवेयर होते हैं, सॉफ्टवेयर के क्या यूसेज होते हैं, these topics we will discuss, right? So maximum of you are having book you are having or not?
Sir,
I think
having.
so we will start revision. Okay,
So chapter
so
name?
let's open the book, right? First of all, we will
Chapter
discuss
name?
types of software. So first of all, we should know what is software. So software, what is software? Software is a, you can say, set of rules which is prepared for a desired output, right? किसी भी सॉफ्टवेयर को डेवलप करने के पीछे हमें एक पर्टिकुलर कोई आउटपुट चाहिए होता है, उसके लिए हम लोग डेवलप करते हैं, राइट? एंड these softwares are basically you can say like classified in many different parts, right? Like system software and application software, utility software, right? System software, application software, and utility software, right? So if you'll see here, the type of software. So type of software, you can say application software, system software, right? So what is system software actually? सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर कौन सॉफ्टवेयर होते हैं? Which kind of software is known as system software, बेटा? System software refers to the program that control the internal computer operation and make best uses of the hardware, right? System software are those software which manage our operating system, manage our, you can say, control our internal computing, right? Or manage our operating system. You can say operating system is a system software, right? Operating system is a system software. Okay. So what are operating system now? Operating system कौन-कौन से होते हैं? Few example of operating system. Any example of operating system? Anyone can tell? Sika, tell now.
Windows.
Okay, Archita. Windows. Okay, good. And anything else? Anyone else? Devansh. Example of operating system. See, Windows, Mac, you can say Apple, right? Linux, Unix, these all are our operating system. ये सारे हमारे क्या है? Operating system है.
सर
Mute the voice. Mute voice, right? If you will not mute voice, then it will create a problem. Okay, now it's good.
सर
हाँ,
सर एंड्रॉयड इज आल्सो एग्जांपल ऑफ ऑपरेटिंग
yes,
सिस्टम.
yes. Android is also example of operating system. You know, in you can say smartphones, we are using three, four type of operating system. Like you can say Android, Windows, Mac, right? And few more are there which we use in smartphones, right? ये सारे हमारे क्या है? ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है. Why it is essential and why it is important? Operating system is very important for a computer or for a like a smartphone. Why? Because without operating system, our computer or our smartphone will not function. Right? Operating system के बिना हमारा फोन जो है वो function नहीं करेगा. right? When we purchase any operating like mobile or when we purchase any computer from market, then at the time of purchase, when you purchase new one, then operating system is not installed, or sometime it is installed, that is DOS operating system, right? DOS, you can say single user, single task. DOS you have seen na? Single user can work on and single task can be done. That kind of command line interface is installed in that time when you purchase the computer. But we format it and we again installed graphical user interface. Understand? So you have understand about graphical user interface and command line interface, right? So जब भी हम लोग ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इंस्टॉल करते हैं, so there is two options, whether you install command line interface or you install graphical user interface. Okay, now आप लोगों ने देखा सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर देख लिया आपने, राइट? नाउ वी विल सी एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर. व्हाट आर एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर? So application software, you can say, is a software which we right. You can say application software is a set of program necessary to carry out operation for the specialized application for the specific purpose. Right. Application software is categorized in three parts. You can say that is general purpose, specific purpose, and customized software. Right. So if we discuss about general purpose software, then those software which we are using in our daily life, like you can say Microsoft Office, right? Microsoft Office क्या है आपका? ये आपका general purpose software है, right? Microsoft Office, in Office all the software like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, okay, all the software are your general purpose software. Now second is specific purpose software, the software which is made of like you can say for a specific purpose, like you can say for your reservation, railway reservation, bus reservation, right? Railway booking, bus booking, as well as air booking. इनके लिए जो सॉफ्टवेयर्स हैं, that is called specific purpose software. Hotel management softwares, right? You can say accounting, GST software. So these are our specific purpose softwares, right? So, and after that, there is your specific purpose software. You have seen account management software like your GST software and your you can say Tally software, reservation software. You have understand HR management software. HR management software, yeah, you can say payroll software or attendance software. Right, these softwares are specific purpose software. Right, inventory software, billing software, these are your specific purpose software. Now there is your customized software. Customized, which kind of software is known as customized software? The software which is made according to the user requirement. राइट, वो सॉफ्टवेयर जो यूजर के रिक्वायरमेंट के अनुसार बनाए जाते हैं, वो हमारे क्या होते हैं? कस्टमाइज या बेस्पोक सॉफ्टवेयर बोलते हैं उसे, राइट? दैट इज कस्टमाइज और बेस्पोक सॉफ्टवेयर, एंड दैट इज यू कैन से that depends upon user demand or user requirement. Whatever user required, that kind of software will be developed by the software engineers. Like you can say your school software. आपके स्कूल का सॉफ्टवेयर कैसा है? That is your, that we can say it is customized software. राइट, ये जो आपका स्कूल का सॉफ्टवेयर है, दैट इज योर कस्टमाइज्ड सॉफ्टवेयर, बिकॉज दिस सॉफ्टवेयर वी आर यूजिंग एंड दिस सॉफ्टवेयर वी आर लाइक वी हैव प्रिपेयर्ड इट अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर यूसेज. हम अपने यूज के हिसाब से हमने इस सॉफ्टवेयर को डेवलप करवाया है, राइट? वी मेड इट फॉर स्पेसिफिक पर्पज, राइट? वी मेड इट फॉर स्पेसिफिक पर्पज. Understand? So there is some advantage and disadvantage of specific purpose software. Specific purpose software जो है उनके कुछ advantage और कुछ disadvantage है. So what are advantage and disadvantage of you can say specific purpose software? So you can say advantage is that company will get the exact software system that they need, right? If you prepare any software, any specific purpose software, then you will get the same software which you required, right? वही software आपको मिलेगा जो software आपको चाहिए, right? Along with it, the software will work exactly how they want it to work. That software will work as you want, right? Means we have prepared it for us, so it will work as we want, as per our requirement. Now there is the software will only have the features that they especially need in their business, right? The software is all having, you can say that software is only having those features which is required by the business or which is required by the company, right? Rest software are not available. Rest functions are disabled in that, right? Now disadvantage. What is disadvantage of customized software? देखिए जो आपके सॉफ्टवेयर है सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर एंड एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर दैट इज प्री प्रोग्राम, दैट इज प्री प्रोग्राम, वो पहले से बना हुआ है, वी आर जस्ट यूजिंग दैट, राइट? बट इन केस ऑफ कस्टमाइज सॉफ्टवेयर it is prepared by engineers for our specific task, or you can say for our specific need, right? So disadvantage is it takes long time to develop such a system between few months to a year, right? It can be developed within a few months or it can be like within a few years, right? ये सॉफ्टवेयर कुछ जो है ये लॉन्ग टर्म में भी डेवलप हो सकता है एंड शॉर्ट टर्म में, इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन योर रिक्वायरमेंट. इफ योर रिक्वायरमेंट इज हायर देन इट कैन टेक लॉट ऑफ टाइम. नाउ इट कॉस्ट अ ग्रेट डील ऑफ मनी टू डेवलप सच अ सिस्टम, राइट? ऐसे सिस्टम को डेवलप करने के लिए क्या है, एक अच्छे खासे अमाउंट की जरूरत पड़ती है. The company may need to employ a team of people such as business analysis, programmers, and tester, right? You know, when any software company is developed, at that time, it is developed by, you can say, number of people. You know, like you can say your development team, your business team, and your programmers as well as tester, right? Now business, what is work of business analysis team? Business analysis team will visit to the customer and they will find out their need, क्या क्या जरूरत है उनको, they will find it, and after that they will hand over it to software team, and software team will see what is work to be done and how much time it will take, right? After completing software work they will transfer that to uh, testing team will check that software and then hand over it to business team, and business team will hand over it to, you can say, client, राइट? क्लाइंट का जो डायरेक्ट इंटरेक्शन होगा वो डायरेक्टली बिजनेस टीम के साथ होगा एंड डेवलपमेंट टीम के साथ होगा, राइट? बिकॉज बिजनेस टीम इज अ टीम who get the, you know, like business, and rest of the team are members only of the team. They will do the work accordingly, and whatever changes is required that will be done by business team only. Okay, that will be done by, sorry, software team only, right? Now there is these cannot be directly installed at the user workplace as requirements may vary. Right? ऐसे जो सॉफ्टवेयर होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं कि मैक्सिमम टाइम द सर्वर इज बेस्ड समवेयर एल्स. Right? Server is, you can say, based somewhere else, or you can say server is uh, placed somewhere in data center to keep the data safe and secure, right? Because clients never, very few clients ask for web server at their own end. Neither everyone asks to give the server access to the to the owner. You can say owner means the software owner who's developed that software. Okay, तो ये आपका क्या हो गया, टोटल आपका सॉफ्टवेयर पार्ट हो गया. सॉफ्टवेयर पार्ट में हम लोगों ने बेसिक हम लोगों ने कवर कर लिया. लाइक what is software, what are part of software like system software and application software. And in system software we have seen there is operating system, right? And along